Reading Unit 6, Lesson 6. I can use a topic to continue to research based on answering mostly yes to a series of questions. So the first thing I want you to do is get open your reader's notebook and find the chart. I know I don't have a picture of the chart we made. I need to start doing that when I make it. So it has our previous knowledge in one column, our confirmed information in the next, misconceptions, putting an X on those jots so we don't look at them again, new information, and our wonderings, which are wonderings we did last week. So make sure you have your notebook open to this page. So during today's lesson, you're going to reread all those jots in that chart except your discarded misconceptions. All right, we don't want to look over those again. And you need to ask yourself as you read these questions, how does my research questions motivate me to find out the answers? So those questions that you wrote the other day when I was out, you need to look at those. What answers do you want to find? Is the topic narrow enough for me to research, or is it too broad and you need to find a smaller section within that topic to research? Because within government, I mean, there's a huge broad topic. Maybe you only focus on one piece of the government. What do I want to teach my readers about my topic? So you're going to continue to read articles and texts. So some of the articles are on Schoology, some of the texts are in the back of the room on the United States, which is everybody. Mexico and Canada, you're each choosing one other, that relate to your research. So those topics, those wonderings that you have, that you're most interested in teaching your readers. So you're going to be reading, and I would actually open up that document you are using in writing with the title of the author, the central message or the main idea, and then your reactions. I would open up that document that you opened earlier today in writing, and I would start adding more information relating to your focused topics that you're going to research. Remember, you could research a piece of geography, a piece of the economic structures, cultures that they have. Oh my goodness. Government, which I had already gone into detail. So you could find out what are those central messages or those main ideas relating to those smaller topics that you're going to research about America, everybody, or Mexico and Canada. Here were just another possible research topics that I found. How are the geographic features, regional characteristics, physical, political, specialized maps, and physical environment of the United States and Canada similar and different? Ooh. How are key cultural characteristics as well as the growth and transformation of the United States and Canada similar and different? A lot of comparing and contrasting. How are they the same? How are they different? How are government structures, struggles for equality and civil rights, multinational and non-governmental organizations of the United States and Canada similar and different? So you could talk about government structures, how they're similar and different, struggles for equality, similar and different, civil rights. I know you guys did research about that in 4th grade. So did Canada have something similar going on? Or Mexico, obviously. How are economic systems, United States and Canada, or Mexico, similar and different? So they took a really broad topic, like I'm just going to focus on one, government structures. You could also do struggles for equality, civil rights. So they broke these up into really tiny pieces and told how are they similar and how are they different. How did America grow and transform and then do the same for Canada? Well, what does the physical map look like for the United States and Canada? What does the political maps for the United States, Canada, or Mexico look like? What are regional characteristics? We have the Midwest, the South, Southwest. You guys are learning these in library. How are they the same for the United States, Canada, or Mexico? Or how are they different? What geographic features do we have? All across the United States, we have different features, and usually those regions have the same or have similar features. Does Canada and Mexico have those? How are they the same? How are they different? So these are just some ideas, okay? But you need to make your topic not so broad, make it more focused, and start doing research that aligns to that topic. What do you want your readers to learn? Because what you're doing now helps you in writing. So I need you to be successful and make me proud. Good luck!